Is your RAM 2500 constantly dropping your Apple CarPlay connection? Statistically, most of these drops are caused by simple cable degradation or outdated infotainment software. Let us walk through the troubleshooting playbook to get you back on track. Start by swapping your cable and cleaning your phone port, then perform a Uconnect soft reset. If that fails, inspect the USB hub in your center console for physical damage or loose wiring. Don't forget to update your iOS and try forgetting the device in your Uconnect settings. Most fixes are DIY, but if the issue persists, you might need a dealer-level Uconnect module update. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are resolved by simply replacing your charging cable. If you have a multimeter, check for loose grounds or blown fuses behind the screen. A standard trim tool set and some compressed air are all you need for basic inspection. Remember, Uconnect systems can be finicky, so take your time with each diagnostic step. Thanks for watching and keep that RAM running smooth.